Now this convex one is slightly more durable in regards to impacts, while this one has a better penetration in medium soft materials. On this steel plate, both of them penetrated flawlessly, and the tips, as you see, are still intact. This one creates a vacuum effect inside a steel plate. You can see that it is slightly diminished, but it has a higher chance to penetrate some flat armors due to the vacuum effect that this creates. You can shoot this with any ordinary slingshot, and the secret is when placing them into the pouch, don't place them like this. Yeah, so don't put them like this, because you don't want to imprint the energy to the tail, which would eventually cause it to rotate like this. You want to give all the energy to the heavy steel head, which means you need to place it like this. So placing it like this into the pouch ensures you that all the energy goes into the steel head, and once it leaves the slingshot, having all the energy into this heavy tip, which also has more inertia, will cause it to auto position like this during the flight. You only need to ensure that your target is at least 5 or 6 meters away from you.